How to change lock screen live wallpaper in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings and go to Personalization. In here, you'll find lock screen option. In lock screen, you'll find background. Click on it and make sure it's in Windows Spotlight. After you have selected Windows Spotlight, you won't find any slideshow or live pictures. You'll simply find Windows Spotlight, which is the window official images. And if you want live, you can simply again click on background and then click on slideshow or pictures. And this is how to change lock screen live wallpaper in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.